Right, this video is going to look at how to solve the inequality x plus 4 all divided x plus 18, all divided by 4 is less than 5. Now, when we solve an inequality, we have to make sure, and this is really important, that the inequality sign stays within your equation throughout the question. We treat it like it's an equal sign when we solve, but we never replace it with an equal sign. It just stays as the inequality sign. So the first thing to do is we need to start thinking about how we're going to make x a subject. Now at the moment we have a 4 and we have an 18 that are on the same side of the inequality sign as the x, and we need to decide whether we're going to move the 18 or the 4 first. Now because the x plus 18 is all being divided by the 4, we have to move the 4 first. So we are dividing by 4, so to move the 4 we must multiply it across. So that becomes x plus 18 is less than 20. 5 times 4, 20. Okay, then we are going to move the plus 18. Now to move a positive 18 we must subtract it from both sides. So we have x is less than 2. Okay, and that is my solution to the inequality. Notice I haven't wrote x equals 2, it has to be the inequality. Now the way that we write this is, that we think about this is, we have to know what this means. X is less than 2. Okay, now the inequality sign always opens up to the biggest number, so it's saying that 2 is greater than x, which means that x is less than 2. Now if it had a little extra line underneath, it would mean and equal to, but it doesn't, so it just means that x is less than 2. And if we wanted to put this on a number line, I'm going to draw a very quick number line. I'm going to have 2 in the center, 3, 4, 1, 0. If we want to draw this in a number line, we would reference the 2, and what we would have to do is we would have to put an open circle because it's just less than. If you had this symbol, that would mean less than or equal to, and you would use a filled in circle when we're referencing it. But when it's just less than, we have an open circle to say that it doesn't include the 2, and it's numbers less than 2, so we are going to point our arrow in this direction because it's x is less than 2, so numbers less than 2. One of my pupils the other day also said, oh look at this as well. If the arrowhead looks exactly like the direction, that will help you to write the direction in which it needs to go as well. So that is how we solve an inequality. Remember, make sure you have an inequality sign in your answer for the solution, and then displaying that on a number line.